Hello everyone, welcome to Incredible Study. Today in this video we solve deduction problem of circle. Here circle problem, and this problem is known as deduction. This type of question is generally asked for 5 marks in examination. Okay, so we are going to solve one deduction problem in this video. Okay, so without getting delay, let's start our video. Here we have one deduction problem that we are going to solve in this video. Before going to solve the problem, we need to see the question, that what are given in the question. Okay, and from the question these are given, and we have to prove this AB is a diameter. This is our target. Okay, this is our target. We have to reach to our target. So let's see the given. First one, PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral. Here quadrilateral PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, and AP and BR are the bisector of angle QPS and QRS respectively. The line PAP or AP is the bisector of angle QPS. Bisector means this angle equal this angle. And BR is the bisector. BR is the bisector of angle QRS. QRS, you can see. That is, we can write here angle QPA is equal to angle APS. Angle QPA, this angle, is equal to angle APS. Angle AP and S, this angle and this angle are equal. Here next we can write QRB is equal to angle BRS. Angle QRB is equal to angle BRS. Okay, here, and this is to prove AB is a diameter. We have to prove the line AB is a diameter. Okay, just write here. We are going to solve this question problem. Okay, here let X, then it will also be X, Y, then Y. This is supposition method. In this video I will just understand you. Okay, I just make you understand this question. Your concept will be clear regarding this type of question. Okay, so here if this is X, then this will also be X because they are equal, and if this be Y, then this will also be Y because they are equal to each other. And here to prove AB is a diameter, we need to verify any of the property of circle or cyclic quadrilateral, and the properties are taught in previous lectures. You will get link in description or on here in I button. Okay, so check the video before this. There is concept regarding this. And here we solve. We have to prove AB is a diameter. So we take construction here. We take construction. We just join here P and B. Now we solve this question. Here you can see this is X, this is X, this is Y, this is Y, and you can see BS is an arc, and on arc BS there is two angles. One is this angle BPS, and one is angle BRS, and another is angle BRS. These two angles will be equal to each other because they are standing on same arc, BS. Therefore if this is Y, then this will also be Y, then this angle also be Y here, then this angle also will be Y. Now we have to show X plus Y is equal to 90 degree, and then it will be diameter, because this is the angle of semicircle is 90 degree. Okay, here suppose this is a circle, then if this line is diameter, then angle formed by this semicircle, angle formed in a semicircle will be 90 degree, So here this angle APB is the angle. Okay, and if we prove this angle is 90 degree, then AB will be a diameter. Okay, then we can reach to our destination. This is our destination. Here we have to prove x plus y is equal to 90 degree. So here we are going to prove angle QPS plus angle QRS is equal to 180 degree. This is property, because the sum of opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. The sum of, here we write sum of opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. Okay, from here we write angle QPS is this whole angle QPS, that is x plus x, 2x we can write 2x, and angle QRS this whole angle we can write y plus y, that is 2y, and this side 180 degree. Then we can take common from here, is equal to 180 degree, that is x plus y is equal to 90 degree. We have proved x plus y is equal to 90 degree. Now we see here the value angle x plus y. Here angle x plus y is how much? This is, and this angle is x plus y, that is we can write angle APB is equal to 90 degree, and in next step we can write AB is diameter. Therefore AB is a diameter. Why we write AB is a diameter? Because the angle opposite to this AB is 90 degree, and which is on semicircle, which is only possible in semicircle, because angle APB is 90 degree. Okay, angle APB is equal to 90 degree. This is, and we successfully reached to our target, that is AB is a diameter. This is not fair solution of this question. I have only solved to make you clear. Okay, you need to write the here proof construction that join P and B, join PB, and then after proof, and before and below that statements and reason. Then you have to write these all statements in statement part, and reasons, this is a reason, and all reasons in reasons part. You will get the proper solution of this question in description. Just click on the link, you will get the solution of this question. Okay, so this video ends here, and I hope you have understood successfully. So if you like this video, then hit like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you for today.